The option is correct. Who among the following are involved with Kaveri river dispute? It is Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry. What is Talcher important for? Talcher is important for heavy water plant. A option is correct. Where do Bhagirathi and Alaknanda join Ganga? They join Ganga at Devprayag. Which of the following rivers originates from Trans-Himalate? The river is Saraswati. The river is Sindhu that originates from Trans-Himalate. Which of the following states is known as the traditional region of tank irrigation? The state is Tamil Nadu. Which state of India has made rainwater harvesting compulsory for all houses? The state is Tamil Nadu. On which river is the Tehri Dam built? It was built on river Bhagirathi. Jog Falls in Karnataka is located over which river? It has been located over the river Saraswati. The Siachen Glacier's melting waters are the main source of which of the following rivers? The river is Nubra River. Name the longest lake in India. The longest lake is Vembanad Lake. The option is correct. Which of the following are alternative names for the river Brahmaputra? It is Jamuna, Siang, Yarlung Jengbo and Meghna and also Sangpo. The option is correct. Next question. Which is the largest peninsular region in India? The largest peninsular river in India is Godavari. If Huang Ho is the sorrow of China, which river is the sorrow of Bihar? The river Koshi is the sorrow of Bihar. In northeast India, Des is known to be the largest freshwater lake. It is Loktak Lake. What is Damodar Valley Corporation? Damodar Valley Corporation is a statutory body. A option is correct. The longest river of peninsular India is Godavari. Sangpo is the other name in Tibet for Brahmaputra. The largest irrigation canal in India is Indira Gandhi Canal. Which of the following is the largest irrigation plant in India? It is Indira Gandhi Canal. The sideways erosion which widens the river valley is called lateral corrosion. Which of the following groups of rivers have their source of origin in Tibet? The river is Brahmaputra, Indus and Sutlej. Option is correct. Punjab has a large number of inundation canals drowning water from the river is Sutlej. The option is correct. What is Dakshin Gangotri? Dakshin Gangotri is unmanned station located in Antarctica. B option is correct. Next question. The region which is a water divide between the Ganga and Indus river systems is Ambala. Which of the following was not a purpose for building Farakka Barrage? The purpose was not the purpose facilitating navigation in Ganga river. This was not a purpose. The option is correct. Which river in the southern peninsula has the second largest river basin in India? The river is Godavari. A option is correct. Next question. Name the longest lake in India. The longest lake is Vembanad Lake. D option is correct. Ganga is a result of confluence of river Bhagirathi and Alaknanda at which place? The place is Devprayag. Which river basin is said by more than 10 states of India? The basin is Ganges. C option is correct. Which river does not form a delta? The river is Tapi that does not form a delta. The only perennial river in peninsular India is Kaveri. Bhakra Nangal project is constructed across which river? It has been constructed over the river Sutlej. Ahmedabad is situated along the bank of Sabarmati river. Rajasthan receives very little rain because the winds do not come across any barriers to cause the necessary uplift to cool the wind. The option is correct. Which of the following does not have an influence over the climate in India? It is ocean currents. The option is correct. The area with annual rainfall less than 50 cm in a year is Leh in Kashmir. B option is correct. Which one of the following is the wettest place in India? The wettest place in India is Masinram. The option is correct. Next question. The southwest monsoon engulfs the entire India by 15th of July. Which one of the following coast of India is most affected by the violent tropical cyclones? The place is Andhra. The option is correct. Kal Baishakhi is a kind of cyclonic storm. Which one of the following is the driest region in India? It is Marwar, that is the driest region in India. The period by which the entire country in India comes under southwest monsoon is The period is 1st to 15th of July. Western disturbances cause rainfall in the following Indian states during winter. The states are Punjab and Haryana. A option is correct. Which of the following two states are prone to cyclones during retreating monsoon season? The states are Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Tropical cyclones in the Bay of Bengal are most frequent during March and April. Summer monsoons in India bring rainfall to western coast. B option is correct. Which sowers are favorable to the Rabi crops in Punjab during winter? The sowers caused by western disturbances. C option is correct. Nagpur gets scanty rainfall because it is located with reference to Sahyadri mountains towards. It is Leewardshire. D option is correct. October and November months gives more rainfall to Coromandel coast. Heavy rainfall during the months of October and November is received by Coromandel coast. C option is correct. The burst of monsoons in the month of June brings rain to Kerala southern coast of Tamil Nadu. Delhi gets winter rainfall due to western disturbance. Which of the following is the area of lowest pressure over Indian subcontinent during the hot dry weather season? It is northwest India. C option is correct. The driest part of India is western Rajasthan. One of the regions that receives rainfall from the northeasterly monsoon is Tamil Nadu. D option is correct. If 20% or more area of the country suffers from rain deficits during monsoon season, it is termed as drought year. What is the major cause of October heat? The major cause is high temperature associated with high humidity. Why does the west coast of India receive more rainfall from southwest monsoon than the east coast? Because the western Ghat obstruct the wind causing rainfall. B option is correct. Though there is no single theory which can explain the origin of southwest monsoon, however, it is believed that the main mechanism is the differential heating of land and sea during summer months. Which of the following causes rainfall during winters in the northwestern part of India? It is western disturbances. The daily weather map of India is prepared by and printed by. It is prepared by and printed by Pune. The option is correct. What should be the proportion of forest cover for India to maintain her ecological balance? It should be 33.3%. C option is correct. Which one of the following areas is noted for mangrove vegetation? The area is Sajne Khali Forest of South 24 Parganas. The option is correct. Next question. Where is the Bandipur National Park? Bandipur National Park is located in Karnataka. Where is the Forest Research Institute located? It is located in Dehradun. Which is the first national park established in India? The park was Corbett National Park. The option is correct. The Sundarbans or the mangrove forest are found in deltaic West Bengal. The option is correct. World's maximum newsprint comes from deciduous forest. Which of the following is not correctly matched with regard to Project Tiger Reservoir? It is Panch and Garhwal. It is not correctly matched. C option is correct here. Where in India can you normally spot the Siberian crane in winter? The place is Keraladio, Ghana Sanctuary. The option is correct. Next question. Match the Biosphere Reserve with their states. Biosphere Reserve and their states have been given here. Simlipal, Dehont Debang, Kokhrek, Kanchenjunga and state Sikkim, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Odisha and codes have been given here. So the first is Simlipal. Simlipal is associated with the state Odisha. Dehang Debang is associated with Arunachal Pradesh. Nokrek is associated with Meghalaya and Kanchenjunga is associated with the state Sikkim. The option is correct. Next question. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. Birds Sanctuary National Park and states have been given here. Bandipur National Park, Gir National Park, Manas Sanctuary and Rohla National Park located in Gujarat, Assam, Himachal Pradesh and Karnataka. So the first is Bandipur National Park. It is located in Karnataka. Manas Sanctuary. Gir National Park is located in Assam. Manas Sanctuary is located in Assam, and Rohila National Park is located in Himachal Pradesh. C option is correct. Next question. The famous Gir forest are located in. These are located in Gujarat. C option is correct. In terms of area, which one of the following Indian states has the largest coverage of forest? The state is Madhya Pradesh. Madumalai Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. In India, rainforests are found in NE, northeastern Himalayas and western Ghats. C option is correct. Silent Valley of Kerala. Silent Valley of Kerala contains rare species of plant and animals. The option is correct. The only sanctuary where Kashmir stag is found. The sanctuary is Dachigam. B option is correct. Kaziranga National Park is famous for rhinoceros. A option is correct. The Chipko movement is related to forest conservation. The Gir forest is noted for its lion sanctuary. When was first national forest policy issued by the government of India? It was issued by the GOI in 1952. Namdhapa National Park is in Arunachal Pradesh. The forest in Sundarban is called mangrove. Which of the following is called the ecological hotspot in India? It is Western Ghats. Manas Sanctuary in Assam is known for elephants. Which one of the following is the first national park of India? It is Corbett National Park. A option is correct here.